Ali Mezher, born 22 March 1994 in Beirut, is a professional Lebanese basketball player who plays for Champville, South Carolina in the Lebanese Basketball League. He graduated from the Lebanese Evangelical School for Boys and Girls L.E.S. Ali is also an eligible candidate for the 2016 NBA Draft 1. In the 2016 to 2017 season, Ali played for Hoops Club and averaged 17.9 ppg, 8.1 assists, 4.4 rebounds and 1.6 steals. He proved himself as one of the best Lebanese point guards in the league. He then signed a contract with Sagesse Club for the 2017 to 2018 season. The next summer, he joined Champville, South Carolina. References: Eurobasket.com. External links: 2.